Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to securely upload and encrypt files using ETHO Protocol's IPFS system. Click the Upload button to open your File Explorer. Next, customize your upload settings. Write a name. Choose date until it will be stored. Upload file itself. Turn on encryption. You can adjust the replication factor to ensure your file is stored across multiple nodes for enhanced reliability. When everything is ready, click Upload to begin. Confirm transaction in MetaMask. Wait few seconds. The secure transfer and encryption done. By clicking the file, you can see that download started. Open downloaded file with text editor. You can see that there is no way it can be written. Only owner has ability to decrypt it. You can click on download link and file be readable for you. Next thing that can be done is you can change owner, write wallet address and transfer file ownership to anyone you wish. You also can extend file storage time with easy steps. And at the end, if you don't want file to be stored, you can delete it anytime. Thanks for watching.